This video, I'm going to share with you how I organize my bookmarks. So you're going to notice that I have a lot of bookmarks saved, and it actually takes up a lot of space when you actually have the words written here. And I've pretty much memorized every logo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select right click, select edit, and I'm going to delete the word Pinterest. And I've used Pinterest hundreds of times, so I already know that that icon is Pinterest. Same goes for YouTube. I'm going to select edit, delete the word YouTube, and select save. Go to edit, delete Go Noodle, and select save. And I organized it in rainbow color, but you're welcome to organize it however you'd like. And another cool trick that I learned is I create what's called a daily folder. And these are all the windows that I want open first thing in the morning. And so I organized it by the order that I want it to appear. And then I select right click and select open all 11 in a new window. And it actually takes a few minutes to load. And while that's loading, you could take care of your morning business, get ready. And then once you come to the computer, you're going to find all the 11 windows all ready to go. So I hope you found this video to be useful.